What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to remove Gmail account from other device. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Gmail application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your specific account from which you want to just remove accounts from that other device. So head over to your profile by clicking your profile icon. Then go to your Manage Google account. Then scroll left until you see Security option. Tap on it and scroll down. And there you will find an option of your devices. And under that there will be Manage All Devices option. Just tap on it. And there goes the devices in which your current email address is logged in. So just head over to a specific one that you want to delete. And here goes this one. And here you can see an option of sign out. Just tap on it and your account will be signed out from that specific device. And yeah, this is how you can do it. And as I currently don't want to sign out from that specific device, I'm not doing that. And yeah, this is how you will be able to do that also. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.